Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 107 of building the Ecto-1. This is a start to the rear fin, or one of the rear fins, but we're not actually attaching it to the car as yet. We've got a few quite short episodes coming up, and then quite involved big one that involves getting the rest of the body in place. So let's get this done, and then we'll see. I think the last pack of these four is the shortest one. So that's the one where I'll be having a look through the magazine. But we've got to do a lot of building before we get to that first. So let me sort things out, get things set up, and we shall get this put together. So what have we got? We've got the big plastic red iconic fin. A couple of trim pieces to put onto it. Actually, 3 trim pieces. One bit that I think we're not doing anything with for quite a little while. I've flipped ahead through the magazine, and we're not doing that this time, or indeed next time, I think. So it'll be a couple of times till we get to that. First of all, we've got this light housing, which we're fitting into the end there. It does have a little pin piece that comes out to make sure you get it the right way round, like that. And that is held in place with a single screw. We've got an AP screw, which we've got here, which I just need the one off out of this packet. That will go basically into the end of that once it's gone through there. If I get that the right way around, like that, and then go in the end there, and that will hold all that together. There we go. No, that's not quite tight yet. I need to tighten that up a bit more. I was a little bit concerned about plastic pieces and tightening and causing damage by over tightening. Yeah, that's better on there. That's that. Right, so then we've got this thin piece that goes across the bottom there, like so. That's got 3 of these screws that hold that in place. Let's get a few of those out. I'm going to need 3 for that and 2 for the other bit. So keep those aside. Got those there. This will go through there like that. Go. One. So there's not too much building to do on this, so I will get it all done live, as it were. No point in doing much behind the scenes when there's not much to do anyway. Second one in there, we'll hold that. And the third one right up the other end. Like that. Like that. So that's that bit. This is then going to go over there and cover over the bit where we had our screw attached. And there are 2 more screws to hold that in place. Front. So, and 1 more at the back. Obviously got access to that for, I would assume, rear light is going on the end there at some point, but that's what we've got there. The final piece that we're attaching today is this top trim piece, which isn't screwed in place. This is just fitted on with several little pins. If I can get one of those lined up, hopefully the rest will fall into place. Should be there. A little bit there, might be there. There we go. That's that one in place. It's obviously going to get held in place more securely when this is fitted to. It's fitted to the rear panel there, isn't it? So that just goes on there like that. I like it. I like the little trim. It's not on there very well. It's got to be the right place because of the way it lines up. But it's just particularly snapping in place. But it will be okay because once the other bit goes on there, this obviously is going to go on there, but not quite yet. So there we go. That is this issue completed. That's really not holding on there very well at all. But I think, in fact, not even in the slightest. I might add a little touch of glue to that just to make sure that does stay in place. Although they're locking onto those, it's stopping it sort of sliding backwards and forwards. It's really not holding it very well at all. So I will add just a little dab of glue in a couple of places on that just to make sure that doesn't escape while I'm trying to install it. So that's that. One issue done. 3 more to go in this delivery. I've even got the next delivery already lined up. This has been a little bit delayed, this one, because it's a lot of effort getting the whole huge car out of storage. So I'll wait till I've got a couple of issues to do, or a couple of packs, a couple of deliveries to do, and do them all at once. So that's that for now. Join me in a couple of days when the next one will appear. And yeah, it might be sooner than that. Keep an eye on the channel. I might get these out a little bit quicker. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.